In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign cards and set due dates in the card table within Basecamp. If you're new to Basecamp or just want to optimize how you manage your projects, stick around, as we're diving into the specifics to make sure everything runs smoothly. First, you'll need to open up your project and navigate to the card table tool. This is where you'll manage your tasks and organize everything you need to get done. Think of this as your project's command center, where you can visualize workloads and deadlines all in one place. Once you're in the card table, take a moment to look through the various columns until you find the card you want to assign. Everything on Basecamp is designed to be intuitive, so finding your card should be straightforward. Now go ahead and click on the card to open its detail view. This is where you can dive deeper into the specifics of what this card entails. You'll immediately notice a field labeled Assign To, or something similar. This is where you'll assign the task to a team member. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you can choose from your list of team members. Be mindful of everyone's current workload and try to distribute tasks evenly among your team to keep productivity high and stress levels low. Once you've assigned the card, it will automatically appear on that person's assignments page, ensuring they're always in the loop with their responsibilities. The next thing you'll want to address is setting a due date. In the same card detail view, you should see a field for the due date. This is just as important as assigning the task because it sets the timeline for when the task should be completed. Click on this field and a calendar tool should appear. Here, choose a date that aligns with your project timeline and overall goals. Setting realistic deadlines is key, allowing for a balance between urgency and the quality of work. After you've selected the appropriate due date, Basecamp will automatically reflect this new information. The card will appear in the project's schedule tool, integrating seamlessly with the rest of your project's timeline. This way, everyone involved has clear visibility over what needs to be accomplished and by when. And that's it. By taking these simple yet effective steps, you can assign team members to specific tasks and set deadlines, ensuring everyone is on the same page. It not only helps keep everyone organized, but also ensures each project milestone is achievable and can be monitored effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this walkthrough helps you manage your projects more efficiently on Basecamp.